What's up, everyone? Welcome to Max Public Land Hunting Outdoors. We got some CV action tonight on channel 24. Some guys about 30 to 60 miles away. I'm gonna wait for a little break in the action. I'm gonna see if they can hear me. So let's get busy. Let's see if this old Cobra will get out tonight, and I'll be right back.
Bill might have fell off the stool for a minute.
Break 24, break 24.
Go ahead, break.
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4, appreciate it. This is Big Mike out of Apex. Just been listening a minute. Who we got out there?
You got CW, the other guy named Swamp. They're 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4. Where you out of CW? Yeah, and where's Swamp out of?
He's on about 10 miles, I'm going to say 10 to 12 miles from me. Little town called Anderson Creek.
Yeah, 10-4, I know it well. Now he goes by Swamp?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10-4, this is Big Mac out of Apex. I'm just right up the road from you. Do you remember Swamp, I think was his name, or was it Swamp Fox? He passed away that lived in Broadway?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 10-4. I'm talking on his old Cobra 2000 right now.
10-4. I got one of his old Cobra 2000 over here too. I'm talking on one of his boxes there, 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. I bought this Cobra from him maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago, and I also bought a Galaxy from him as well.
10-4. Is it a Galaxy Saturn or a Galaxy Mobile?
It's a Mobile, but I use it as a base all the time. It's a 55.
10-4. Well, you got you some nice radios there, 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, I just had a good time talking to him.
Oh yeah, well, he's a good old man, man. I hate he's gone, but anyway, did you get anything else from him? Just them two things?
Yeah, 10-4. What nights y'all talk on here mostly? Is it Thursday nights? Yeah, 10-4. I haven't turned this thing on in a couple of weeks, but I'm usually on it right much. Channel 34, all of them, a lot of times 22, something like that. But 10-4, I appreciate it. I was just waving a hand. I'm right up the road up in Apex. So I'm probably, I don't know, 40 miles from you. Alright, 10-4, appreciate it.
Talk to him a lot of times, but sounded good down here, man. Just gonna wave a hand, let you know you're making the trip.
10-4, appreciate it.
Who's that guy in Apex? Old pickup man waving the hand up here in Sanford.
Yes, Big Mac up here in Apex.
Yeah, Marty, well, you're sounding good up here in Sanford, man. Ain't no doubt about it. Old pickup man telling you, you're sounding great, man. Keep on with it, keep on.
Alright, appreciate it, pickup man. Yeah, 10-4, go ahead.
Yeah, can you go by McDonald's and get me a Big Mac and bring it to me?
No problem, no problem. I'll drop it off right there by Buckhorn Dam in about 30 minutes.
Yeah, right, I'll be there.
Okay, guys, most of those guys are 40 to 50 miles away from me. I can hear them good, they can hear me good. Anyway, some good old boys from down around Sanford, Broadway. They said Anderson Creek. You can hear them hitting again. But anyway, Cobra's getting out good tonight. Anyway, get your CB. It's good in emergency situations. It's also fun. But anyway, I'm out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.